Hi everyone, my name is Erica and this is Erica's Home Refresh. Here you'll get tons of motivation for cleaning, home projects, and everything in between that makes your life at home cozy and manageable. Tonight we're going to do some cleaning, a little bit of decor, and we're going to declutter and reorganize my bathroom sink. I know there are lots of things that you need to get done around your house, so put this video on, clean your home with me, and get everything done. Now, let's refresh this house. I don't always make a written list of things I need to do, but as the girls get older, it seems like my mind is too spread out and I really like to have a physical to-do list for myself. Do you like to write out your to-do lists? The kitchen isn't too bad tonight, but I'm going to finish cleaning up from dinner. These sliders were so good and easy, and I was thinking of making them in a video sometime. After it's clean, I'll change up the flowers in here and then just wait until you see what's under our couch.
Just to let it go, cut the cable short, and the problem solved might be easier. For you, I do it all night. You're my only sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego.
How are you all doing? I know some people really struggle during this time of year, and admittedly, winter is not my favorite. It can be hard to find the motivation to do the things that will help us the most, but I'm glad you're here and hopefully we can make it to spring together with fresh minds and spaces.
I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness.
Our oven is still holding up well after the big deep clean from a couple weeks ago. I'll leave the link to the video where I cleaned it in the description box below.
Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes.
If you're getting value or entertainment from this video today, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn the notification bell to all so that you never miss a weekly video.
And every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes. Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring
been dying for some pops of pink in the house. I like minimal decor, but after the Christmas decorations have been down for a few weeks, it was starting to look bare even for me. Do you decorate for winter or go straight to Valentine's Day or skip all of it? Even if Valentine's Day is sort of a made-up holiday, it's fun for me to have an extra excuse to celebrate loving my little family.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. Back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no—
A plate broke today and some of the pieces flew under the couch. As much as I sweep and vacuum in this room every day and sometimes multiple times a day, because this is a sleeper sofa, it's not possible to get all the way underneath to clean it unless you move it away from the wall. So I have to do this occasionally, and the broken dish was an excuse to get this done.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign.
This has been bugging me all day, and I'm so glad that it's done. After this, we're going to clean out the cabinets on my side of the sink, and they are so bad, I'm dying to get that done as well.
I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you. And here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again.
So now we're in the master bathroom, and everything looks nice and clean, doesn't it? Nice and wiped down, tidy, put away. But under my sink has gotten really full, so I need to declutter it and organize. Oh boy. I go in this cabinet all the time, so it's gotten really full. It's hard to use, but it'll be really easy to fix. It's kind of just too full. There's a lot of things that I can throw away as well. And over here, unusable. We have one more cabinet. Bad, but not as bad.
You're gone now. Will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me.
They say that however many times you go into a drawer or space per day is how many times a year you should go in and clean, declutter, and organize it. I think that's why we have to go through our kitchen cabinets and fridge so often.
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that.
I don't know about you, but a lot of times I put off working on my own spaces because I know I can just deal with my own things getting out of hand while prioritizing other things. But the truth is, it's so good for us to make sure we're taking care of ourselves in this way so we feel like we can take care of everything else that's on our plate.
Means that you'll come home to me once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
I use this bag to carry around my makeup and some other things to help me get ready for the day. Depending on what my day looks like, sometimes I have to take it around the house or in the car with me.
You fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
Like I said, this drawer was completely out of hand, but it feels so good to get it straightened up. A lot of what I'm taking out can be thrown away, and some of it's going back to its home in another part of the house.
I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best
I used to hate shoving things into drawers like this, but now that I'm a mom, when I don't have a lot of extra time, I'd rather get the visual clutter off of the countertops and deal with the drawers later. When I'm this ruthless with the drawers, they should stay clear for a while before I have to go and do this again.
so you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why. I'm always feeling homesick. Oh,
I didn't think about getting drawer liners for these drawers, but I'll have to do that in the future. There was a spill and I don't think I'll be able to get the stain out now.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know is this is where my heart is.
Thank you so much for spending time with me tonight. I hope you got a lot done. Look at this bag. I filled it up with things that I get to throw away, and everything is so much easier and more accessible under my sink now. If you need more motivation, I'll leave a playlist of more videos in the description below. See you next time. Bye.
I'm coming home to you.